Hello everybody. So today we're going to be exploring the key words that help us ask quick questions and deep thinking questions. So yesterday we talked about what is a quick question and what is a deep thinking question. And again, I just want to emphasize that it's important that we ask both quick questions and deep thinking questions. Just because quick questions stop our thinking doesn't mean that they're bad. We just want to make sure that we're asking both quick and deep thinking questions. So I'm using the sorting page. Again, if you don't have a printer, you can just go ahead and you can create your own little T-chart here. And as I follow along, you'll just write in the keywords that describe each one. So I've gone ahead and I've cut apart all of our little keywords here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the quick questions. So the first quick question word that I would like to talk about is the word, if I can find it here, what. So what is a quick question word? Normally when we ask questions that start with what, there's normally one answer. An example might be, what school do you go to? I go to Peter Greer. There's only one answer. So what is a quick question word? If you're using my template, I'm realizing now that maybe they might not all fit just because I left a little bit of extra space here. So you can just use your scissors and trim, or you can just overlay the next one, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a moment. So what is a quick question word? The next one is who. Again, when we hear who in a question, it's signaling to us that that is a quick question. An example of a who question might be, who is your teacher? Our next quick question is when. Such as, when is your birthday? We could also ask where. Where is another quick question word. Where do you live? Where is your brother? Where is your house? What time is also a quick question. When we're asking what time something is at, again, there's no room for argument and there's no room for more than one answer. If you were to ask, what time is school in the morning? School is at 8:30. There's only one correct answer. Or, what time is Zoom today? It's at 12 o'clock. Again, one correct answer. The very last quick question keyword that we're going to look at is how old. So again, when it comes to age or measuring time, these are our quick questions. How old is your fish? How old is your dad? How old are you? Again, one answer. Now we're going to move on to our deep thinking side. So again, our deep thinking questions are questions that have more than one answer, require us to maybe go out and find extra information, or ask people that we know, go onto the internet. So when you see some of these keywords, you're probably asking a deep thinking question. Why? Why is probably the most simple deep thinking key word. Asking why is so important. It normally requires a lot of deep thinking. And why also requires us to explain. So normally we can't answer a why question with just one answer or one word. It requires us to offer more of an explanation. Maybe a question might sound like, why do we yawn when we see other people yawn? Next one. How do you think? And remember, our ... means that there's more to come. Maybe it could be, how do you think chickens know how to lay eggs? again, we would have to go out and find that answer, and there's going to be an explanation, not just a one-word answer. My favorite one, I wonder. This is something that I hope you guys are always saying, always practicing. It is so important that we ask questions and we wonder about the things around us. I wonder why the sky is blue. It's very blue today. Again, there's our ... I wonder why the sky is blue. What if? Again, so when we say what if, we're kind of giving a situation or example and not really sure what might happen. A great what if would be, what if dogs had wings? Again, not one correct answer, something that we have to think about. And in my example, what if dogs had wings? Well, there's probably not a single answer even out there. That would be a great example of us having to do our own thinking and coming to our own conclusion. And a conclusion would be an answer or a decision. And our very last one, why do you think? Why do you think the sun is out today? Again, deep thinking questions that require us to do a little bit of thinking. So I'm going to encourage you to have this chart in front of you while you listen to the story. See if you can create some of your own wonders. I would love if you guys could create both quick questions and deep thinking questions. Try to use some different keyword starters, and I will see you in our next video.